Model hash SAXFRM-2x5. Length 5 feet. One end has two XLR Male Connectors. Other end has two RCA Male Connectors. Condition: new. Top reviews from the United States. They're connected to a stereo worth over $12,000. They sound great, transparent. My Primare preamp only accepts XLR female for its first input, so I bought these to connect to a Cambridge Audio 640 phono pre for a Technics 1200 MK2. The amp is a Krell and the speakers are phenomenal ATC, so it's all audiophile grade. The cables were neutral, passed on the deep bass on a Peace Orchestra LP, specifically track 2. Highs were clear, soundstage and imaging weren't blurry. The XLR cables connecting the preamp to the amp are $200 silver coated, so these are a bargain. They didn't degrade the sound. Does the job. I bought this to use with a church sound system that I set up and take down every Sunday morning. I have been using it for several months and so far there are no issues with this item. It seems to be well made and does not create any noise. You can certainly spend more and get a heavier duty model, but for the price this one does a good job.